Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of mine. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and for today's DIY I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY pouch. Enjoy! So starting off with materials, you're just going to be needing a 5 by 3.5 inch fabric, a zipper, and a sewing machine or a needle and thread. So starting off, you're just going to go ahead and grab your fabric and zipper and place the good side of the fabric facing down onto the top part of the zipper and sew straight across. Next, once you've done that, just go ahead and fold over the fabric back onto the top part of the zipper that hasn't been sewed on again, and sew straight across and repeat what you just did earlier. Now that you've done that, just go ahead and fold your piece inside out so that the wrong side is facing outwards, and you're just going to go ahead and fold both sides evenly like this so that it will create the boxy shape to the pouch, and just pin on both sides and sew straight across. And now just go ahead and flip your piece inside out one last time and you should end up with something like this.